Hello kids. Today we are going to revise GK. Our country. India. India is our country. We are proud to be Indians. Kindly repeat after me. Our national symbols. Our national flag tricolor. Our national symbol emblem. Our national animal tiger. Our national bird peacock. Our national flower lotus. Our national fruit mango. Our national leaders. Mahatma Gandhi ji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, our national festivals. 15 August, Independence Day. 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. 26 January, Republic Day. Thank you.